We're back with another video. We're doing Clarencenyc reacts to Chrisean Rock doing this video, I think, with Clarencenyc. Let's get into it.
What the fuck is that?
What the world? Son.
What the fuck is that?
What you got going on here?
That's his dad?
Got two big... Bro, Dad, they wildin', bro. Dad.
Why rude? I mean, I was thinking it, Claire. You know, that's what I'm talking about. Petty fam. Claire is officially in the petty fam, y'all. I don't know. Maybe he used like a code name or something. Let us know who you is, Claire. It's all right, boo. We willingly accept you into the petty fam.
Bro, sit down, bro. Bro.
Why they both went in there?
They went. Oh, you think they having sex? Who? Bro, it's blue. Okay, so I invited two people over, right? Blue. But I told you don't have nobody. Okay, here. I understand that, Pops. But damn, but like.
Oh, that's not his real dad. All right.
Blueface. And his girl, Chrisean. You know Chrisean?
Blueface.
Yes, Blueface. Like Blueface.
Tattoos?
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah.
Here.
Yes.
In my house. Where I told you no company.
Okay, but that's besides the point. They both went to the bathroom together.
You got them in my bathroom.
It's...
You got...
Yo, are they doing it?
Oh, nah. You tripping.
Bro, okay.
I gave you specific rules.
I don't know what they doing.
What else they gonna do? They couples.
You're right. Dad has a point.
That part. It's only so many things you're supposed to do in the restroom. Usually you do all that by yourself in the bathroom. I don't know. Y'all let me know.
Dad has a point. I'm not gonna lie. What else could they be doing?
Bro, I've been working. I'm trying to take care of your ass.
Doing what?
Why'd you worry about it? I told you. I work.
Now, when you gotta be on some strict shit when they come out.
See, Daddy be doing stuff that he can't disclose on camera now. Don't ask him no silly questions, Kai.
Like me, like Chrisean, she would dead ass beat your ass.
Okay, so you want me that mean?
Yes. Be strict, bro. You own this shit. I'm not about to speak my mind, nigga. They try to force me to dance and shit. I'm like, I ain't really with that. They were trying to get me to get sturdy. I'm like, yo, hold on, gang, feel me?
They were trying to make you.
Yeah, make me get sturdy. But I'm like,
you know, I don't like people to make you do stuff. Like,
hi,
I don't...
It's my dad right here.
Wait. So, I told him he can't have no company here, and he still let y'all...
Nah, this that's my pops.
This your dad?
Yeah, on his pops. Like, I run this.
Nah, like, damn, that's my dad.
I run this. This my house. Like, I don't...
Nigga laughing at his pops is crazy.
Liquor?
No, I am.
I like her because she just walk up, take the drink. She like, look, she's like, hey, respect dude, fist pound, what's up, bruh? And yeah, let me leave with this so I can, you know, while you own this extra trip, I'm gonna be all right. Over here in the corner. She a real one. But yeah, and how you gonna tell people after they here already? Like, I'm here now. Like, sorry, sir. I mean, what you want me to do? Leave? Is that gonna make it better? Nope.
You drinking liquor?
Yeah, she's drinking liquor. I'm not drinking it.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah, she's drinking liquor. Right, Chrisean?
Cause you know.
You look like your age. Are you sure that's your dad? You said what? No. What are you trying to?
No, she didn't ask that. Oh, mama tripping. But who gonna check her, boo? I ain't checking her. Who gonna check her? She asked what she want to ask. Inquiring minds want to know. Y'all know y'all wanted to know.
I'm laughing at a nigga. Dad is crazy.
What are you trying to say? You just look like a man. Don't look like a dad. That's my...
Because what if that was his real pops, though? What if that was his real pops, though? He's laughing at his pops.
Just look young is what she trying to say, y'all. See, y'all be thinking other stuff. It ain't that. It is not that. It's that the bruh look like he about the same age. He like 10 years older than bruh, right? You know, like you ain't old enough for his pops.
Oh,
nothing. I just need to chase her, bro.
Bro, Shorty is in his refrigerator.
That was a good one. But it's the fact is, you have Blueface.
Yeah, Blueface. You want to stand up?
In the house, and I told you no company.
Yeah.
Then he tell me y'all try to get him.
Hold on, hold on.
What's up?
Let me stop you real quick.
Yeah.
Because I was informed that I was his dad.
What? You was my dad.
He told me.
Blueface ain't got no sense. He like, it's not what his mama told me. He said, I didn't stole your son, sir. Sorry. He said, so this is my house then. You know, and you visiting. So you leave.
Earlier that we first met when he was in high school.
Hell no.
God, don't lie.
No, look. No, wait. Wait, hold on. I said I met him. I said we met in high school. I never said he was my dad.
God.
I said I met him when I was in high
school. Hey, Kai, you ain't safe. You over here with us. We can't help you, bro. Don't you argue with Christian, sir. Leave that girl alone.
school. I'm 20 years old.
Yeah, I met you in high school. I graduated 10 years before you.
I threw a concert where you performed that. You're not my dad.
Why your dad?
This my dad.
That's your dad?
Okay. Yes, I threw a concert. I threw a concert where he performed that. So I'm like, yo, bro, I ain't gonna lie. We met when I was in high school. You know that, right?
Stand up.
What happened?
Yeah, let's stand. Yeah, both of y'all stand up.
Please. Just for the...
Okay, we'll stand
The
up.
Yeah, we'll stand up.
See, he get most of his height from his mom. His mom taller, you know. I like tall women, so, you know, he just came out in the middle of us. So.
Yeah, Dad.
What's your name?
My name's CJ.
Nice to meet you, Mr. CJ.
Nice to meet you.
So this your dad?
My dad, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. And shit. But you gotta be able to respect him. You can't just be. You can't just be like. You can't just be.
Pick his dad up.
Nah, don't take his dad. No. Nah.
Pick his dad up. Don't pick his dad up, bro.
No, ma'am. Don't be picking people daddy up now. Now, I mean, he might take your girl if she pick him up. She's like, oh, okay. All right, yes, sir. She said, you gonna be my daddy next.
Don't pick his dad up.
Wait, Kashan!
Don't pick his dad.
Oh, crap.
Don't be body slamming people dead, though. That ain't right. That's disrespectful, y'all. Not the body slamming. Not the body slamming. Pops, nah.
Oh. Babe!
She just, niggas just sport mad Sprite on her face. Yo. Mad Sprite on her face, bro. And he picked his dad up, bro.
You a grown ass man, you slammer. You gonna slam.
Bro, they picked his dad up. Bro, there's mad Sprite on her eye.
You my dad, and I'm gonna take you serious, nigga.
Shit, I'll take him serious. He's pretty cool. He's just little.
Get back.
Bro.
His friends want me to get back.
Bro, just press and say, hey.
Nah, bro, I'm scared of her, bro. I'm drunk.
I'm scared of her, bro. Say, hey, don't do that.
Hey, don't do that no more.
Why you gonna touch her and run? He already knew. He said, yeah, I ain't trying to get thrown out the window now, y'all.
Saying, you know, this year it was kind of the hard. Just
It was MMA, WWE.
That's what it is.
You don't play that? It's fun.
Bro, this is live right here. This is live.
Oh, okay, well, hold on.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I know. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, she's done. She's done, bro.
Kai dad, that's crazy.
Bro, she just body slammed Kai's dad. That's gonna be the name of this video right now.
That's crazy. That's Kashan Rock.
Bro, this is what?
Bro, she just body slammed his
work?
pops, bro.
It's not
His pops got high.
Don't be manhandling his dad. She funny to me. I love her dearly. Ooh, I can't wait to see this show, y'all.
Dunk.
What we do?
Fuck you mean I
That's
got...
just what I thought those were low tops.
Hey, don't slam my dad no more.
I thought those were low tops, gang.
Thank you. Speak up.
But they high tops. They just small.
He say, speak up, get in your chest. You gotta yell it loud so they understand not to be picking me up randomly. Rude.
I respect.
Thank you.
We're gonna not pick you up again. But it's fun. You ain't had fun flying?
Nah.
I had fun a long time. I mean, but yeah, it was kind of fun. You did that.
This nigga funny. Who is this?
My dad.
Your dad cool.
You think I'll be a, this is KC.
But why is she so brolic though? I know that nigga at least like 160.
Point two, you KC point what?
He's compact.
KC,
So
he's casting at the second. I'm
2.0.
casting at the third.
It's the fact she just. But you know,
We was having fun.
what happened to the Sprite? That shit
Oh
just
shit, we just hit 3 million followers.
dried up.
next time,
We just-
ask me first. Ask me for.
See, her makeup still on point. Okay, yes, ma'am. She say spray to the face. What? Like, I'm sweating a little bit because I don't pick up homeboy because he a little thick. And what?
Okay.
Big clap.
I got a question for brother.
All right, come on. What's the question, Daddy?
Alright.
That's why they call me KC.
That was, you see, you just did, like, look, I was.
Don't fall, the chair might break.
It's not, Daddy.
Why
It's not.
do little people have big ass heads?
What?
No, it's not bigger than mine.
I mean,
Your name,
I
little.
guess I really don't know. That's the first question I ever had all my life like that.
For real?
Yeah, I never.
Nobody ever asked you that?
Hell no. Not why her hair is so big.
You got a family?
Do I have a family?
Yeah.
This is fun.
Come on,
Is it
Krishan.
real?
Yeah, this is my dad.
I mean,
Are we
I
not
don't
doing
have no family.
So we're not doing it for the
But
chat?
you got a big ass head too.
No, I'm not doing this for the chat.
Nah, nigga said, why do little people have big heads?
Little people have big ass heads because they're just very intelligent and smart, so they know what, like, any mathematical questions, any history questions. They're just born smart and.
I fuck with the little people. I feel like the bitches got good pussy.
You
Do
said
they?
y'all smarter,
I
right?
never have.
Yeah,
sex
they
with a
smarter.
person.
You.
I was.
You a part of
I was
it.
so serious.
How about it?
People.
I was so serious when I said I like tall women.
What's 9 times 9,
You do?
Ty?
81.
What?
Ask him a math question. You
9 times 9 is 81. Let me see.
little
Man,
people-
Kai defending.
8 is 81.
It's
Ask him
81.
another question.
What's 22 times 8?
2 times 8 is 16.
22 times 8.
22 times 8
that's
is
a good one.
3,647.
Hell no.
I'm being dead ass. What is
You
that?
said 22 times 8. Hell no.
Alexa, wait, I got it.
That's probably.
What is 22 times 8?
No, that's probably
22
like
times 8 is
100.
176.
Yeah, it was a prank.
That nigga.
He was way off, y'all. Woo, he get it from his mama.
I'm just testing y'all.
3,000
Son, you gotta do better than that, son.
Oh, you got slammed twice, nigga.
No, we was playing WWE. You know WWE is fake.
Hilarious.
Imagine she slammed Kai though. Imagine she slammed Kai.
Shit.
WWE is not.
She can pick up Kai now. Don't play with her. She can pick up Blueface. I got her. I got you, Krishan. I think she pick up all 3 of them and pick them up and slam them. But yeah, she definitely got Kai. Like no.
Fake.
No, you know
Don't listen to
it's
them.
fake.
Daddy, you knew it.
Don't listen to
It's
them.
called good acting.
It's real.
Right. It is real.
Hubba, 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 hubba,
like telling them-
hubba, 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 hubba. I just wanna rock. Body, yada, yada. I just wanna rock.